Good morning, dear students. Let's start differentiation of logarithmic functions. Question number 4. Differentiate the functions in x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. Here, in this, you observe that here is variable raised to power variable. So, in this case, we take logarithmic function on both the sides. But students, आपको यहाँ notice करना है कि यहाँ पर negative sign है. log function की जो property है log a into b is equals to log a plus log b. But students, notice that there is no property of log a plus b or log a minus b. So we can't take directly log here. So students, in this way, first write let y is equals to u minus v, where u is x raised to power x and v is 2 raised to power sin x. Students, इसके लिए हमें u and v both functions, we have to do derivative of both the functions separately, and after that we have to put the value in this. Okay, so students, let's have this solution. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will write dy over dx is equals to du over dx minus dv by dx. So calculating first du by dx, here taking log on both sides, log u is equals to log x raised to power x, and by this property we take this x power in the front of log x. So differentiate with respect to x both sides. Derivative of log u is equals to derivative of x into log x, and here we apply product rule x into log x. So students, derivative of x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 over x, plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. And here in the left hand side, what is the working rule? Derivative of log u is 1 over u, and derivative of u with respect to x is du over dx. So students, you can see here, we reach here 1 over u du over dx is equals to 1 into log x plus 1 over x into x. Now move this u to the right hand side in multiplication. So students, u is equals to x raised to power x. In this way, we get du over dx is equals to x raised to power x log x plus 1. So now calculating dy over dx, and here y is 2 raised to power sin x. This is very simple because we have formula of this 2 raised to power sin x as it is, and derivative of sin x is cos x. You can see here, you can apply here also formula 2 raised to power sin x. And so students, this is alternate method. If you take log on both sides, then we will write log v is equals to log 2 raised to power sin x, and take power in front of this, and derivative of log v is 1 over v dv by dx. Sin x as it is, derivative of log 2 is 0, and log 2 as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. So students, in this way you can see here log 2 cos x that I have explained to you earlier. So in this way we get dy over dx 2 sin x log 2 cos x. So students, आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, मैं अभी जो आपको अल्टरनेट मेथड बता रही थी वो ज़्यादा इजी था. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि हमें डेरिवेटिव करना है 2 रेज़ टू पावर sin x का. सो और हमारी जो वैल्यू है दैट कम्स दिस वन. ओके, तो v इज इक्वल्स टू 2 रेज़ टू पावर sin x, and derivative of v dv over dx is 2 sin x as it is, copy down into log 2, क्योंकि फॉर्मूला होता है a रेज़ टू पावर x का फॉर्मूला है डेरिवेटिव में a रेज़ टू पावर x इंटू लॉग a. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे यहाँ पर, देन यू विल गेट 2 रेज़ टू पावर sin x as it is into log 2. Now derivative of sin x is cos x. Then you can see that directly you will get this value. So students, you have two methods, but this method is suitable as I have explained you now by using the formula. Okay. Also, you can take log on both sides to do its derivative and use product rule to get the answer. Now, students, you have to put the value of du over dx and dv over dx in the first. So, by putting these values, you will get the required result. So students, next here we have question number 5. Differentiate the functions in x plus 3 whole squared, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole raised to power 4. स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास यहाँ 3 फैक्टर्स हैं एंड ऑल दी फैक्टर्स आर इन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. सो log is useful here. Let y is equals to x plus 3 whole squared into x plus 4 whole cube and x plus 5 whole raised to power 4. Taking log on both sides. So students, log की property है log a into b into c. We will write log a plus log b plus log c. So students, take log y and we will write here log x plus 3 whole squared plus log x plus 4 whole cube plus log x plus 5 whole raised to power 4. So by using the property, we will write 2 in front, 3 in front of log x plus 4 and 4 in front of log x plus 5 by using the property. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. In this way we get 2 derivative of log x plus 3 is 1 over x plus 3, and similarly here we get 1 over x plus 4 and here we get 1 over x plus 5. And students, you can see here, yes, derivative of dy over dx is 1 over y and dy by dx as it is. First we do derivative of log. Log का derivative क्या होता है 1 over y, and then do derivative of y is dy by dx. And here 2 is constant, so we will write 2 as it is, and log x plus 3 is 1 over x plus 3 and derivative of x plus 3 is 1. Similarly 3 is constant, we will write as it is. Derivative of log x plus 4 is 1 over x plus 4 and derivative of x plus 4 is 1. So students, आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही easy है. You have to just learn all the formulas of derivatives. Similarly 4 remain as it is. Derivative of log x plus 5 is 1 over x plus 5 and derivative of x plus 5 is 1. So students, in this way, by solving this, you will get the answer. And here is y. Y moved to the right hand side in multiplication. So students, you can see here the answer and putting the value in the last one to get the required result. In this way we get this solution. Now here we have question number 7. This is very important question because this type of question come in board exam of 4 marks. Okay, so students, let's start. This is a 4-mark question. Here we have to differentiate of log x raised to power x plus x raised to power log x. So students, you can see here is positive sign, so we can't take log on both sides because there is property of log a into b, but there is not property of log a plus minus b. So students, in this way, first we have to let u is log x raised to power x and b is x raised to power log x. So we get y is equals to u plus b. So students, here u is log x raised to power x. So हम यहाँ इसका डेरिवेटिव करेंगे सेपरेटली एंड v इज़ x raised to power log x, और आप इसका सेपरेट से डेरिवेटिव करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट you have to put these values in this equation. So here we have calculating du over dx, taking log on both sides, and then x will be written in front of log x. Now start doing derivative. Here derivative of log u is 1 over u and derivative of u is du over dx. Similarly x as it is, derivative of this log x 1 over log x, and then derivative of x into log x, you can see here derivative of log x as it is, and derivative of x is 1. So students, here next here 1 over u du over dx, log x as it is, derivative of x is 1, and derivative of log x is 1 over log x, and derivative of log x is 1 over x, and derivative of x is 1, and this x is as it is. So x to x will cancel out. In this way we get log into log x plus 1 over log x. Next we have on simplification, we get this one and u क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स अब यहाँ पर, and put the value of u from the question. We get log x raised to power x, log into log x plus 1 over log x. Now here is the value of du over dx. You can see on just simple calculation students आपको करनी है, आप इसे यहाँ तक भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, that is up to you. ओके आप डायरेक्टली ये वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, आपको फुल मार्क्स ही मिलेंगे, इसमें मार्क्स डिडक्ट नहीं होंगे. ओके नाउ इट्स टर्न टू सॉल्व द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v इज x raised to power log x, taking log on both sides, and here log x in the power, so move log x in the front. In this way we get log x whole squared. Now derivative of log v is 1 over v, and derivative of v is dv over dx, and here derivative of log x squared, you can see here derivative of log x squared to log x and deduct 1 from the power. स्टूडेंट्स ये पावर रूल है, जैसे हम लिखते हैं एक्स रेज़ टू पर इनका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है एन एक्स एन माइनस 1. बाय यूजिंग दिस रिजल्ट we will write 2 log x raised to power 2 minus 1, and now derivative of log x is 1 over x and derivative of x is 1. So in this way we move to the right hand side in the multiplication and put the value of v from the statement. In this way we get dv over dx x log x 2 log x over x, and you can see here x both comes in numerator and denominator, so by collecting them we get in the power log x minus 1. So here put the values in that dy over dx is equals to du over dx plus dv over dx. So we get the answer. Students आपको एक बात नोटिस करना है, यहाँ पर हमें सिर्फ प्लस साइन दिया हुआ है तो हमें बस ऐड करके इसको लिख देना है, आपको इसके आगे इसको सॉल्व नहीं करना, इसको कैलकुलेट बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना. दिस इज़ योर रिजल्ट. Okay, so this is very important question. These type of question, do more practice of these type of question. Thank you for watching the complete video.